Have you ever wondered why it seemed like nobody really cares about your content? Because you posting these videos because you created some great content and you figuring you're going to get at least a couple of thousand views if you don't go viral. And then you post a video and then you figuring, oh, I got low views. Sometimes you get no views. You still answer the question, why it seems like nobody cares about my content? But today I'm going to share with you the 3 reasons why nobody cares about your content and what to do about it. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you 3 actionable steps that will completely shift your content's impact today. So let's get into it. The first reason why nobody cares about your content is you don't care enough about your own content. Because you have this misnomer in your mind that if you're not consistently posting videos, the YouTube algorithm is going to kick you to the curb and not going to push your videos every time you post it. You're rushing to just post to stay consistent. You're just posting content to post content to say, I want the algorithm to be on my side. You don't have to do all that. You're not excited when you're doing these videos. And not only you're not excited, you're not even invested when you're doing these videos. Because if you're just posting just to post, you're just going to say, okay, I'm just going to put it up and it's going to hit or it's going to miss. No, you got to be intentional every time you post a video. And if you don't care deeply about your video, why should anybody else care? Because if you really want to know the truth, start treating your content like it's your legacy. Because if you don't treat it like a legacy, it's going to be a chore. Every time you get ready to do a video, you're going to say to yourself, man, do I really want to do this, man? Oh, man, is it really worth it? Because nobody watching my videos. You're going to be so disgruntled about making videos, you're not even going to do the video. So treat it like it's your legacy, because every time you post a video, as long as YouTube is in existence, that video is going to be up on YouTube. People watching it from years and years and years from the day that you post it. Speak from your heart and not from your head. If you don't care about your content, why should somebody else care about your content? You got to speak from your heart. Speak from the fire that's burning inside of your heart, because you know you got that message that you want to share with the world. So speak from your heart and let that fire burn. Here's the actionable step I want you to do. Before you hit publish, ask yourself this question. Would I stop scrolling and watch this? That's right. Ask yourself the question, would I stop scrolling and watch this video? And if the answer is no, redo the video with passion and purpose. The next reason why nobody cares about your content is you haven't connected your content to a clear message. You're just making videos at random. And if you're making random videos, you're going to get random results. You got to connect that video to a clear message. And if you don't have a clear message, nobody's going to watch your videos, because people don't follow noise. They follow clarity and transformation. Are you transforming people's lives with the message that you have in that video? If you want to do entertainment, or if you want to do sports channel, or that's the niche that you in, that's fine. You're going to get the results. But I'm talking to the people who know they got a message inside of them, a message that's burning, a message that's telling you to tell them how to overcome that challenge that's in their lives. If that's you, type in the comment section, hashtag, I know I have a message. Because I'm speaking directly to you. If you got everything set up the way you want to have it set up and it's working for you, get off the channel. Go somewhere else. I'm speaking to those people who have content that people don't care about. I want you to have content people care about. If you anchor every piece of content to a message of who you are trying to help, what problem you're trying to solve for those people, and why you matter to give them that message, your content is going to skyrocket. Because if you understand who you're helping, I'm helping people over 40 create a message that they can create and get monetized with that message, from the digital assets to digital products to turn to digital cash. That's who I help. I know who I'm helping. I know what I'm saying to these people. And I'm saying to you, have an anchor to every piece of content that you create. Because once you realize that you have something to share, you have to make sure the content that you're sharing, people care about. And here's the next actionable step I want you to do. Write a one-sentence purpose for your channel. That's going to help you stay focused on your content. Help people over 40 create digital products from the digital assets that they have within themselves so they can have digital cash. That's what my channel is all about. If you can turn your life legacy into an income, make sure the content that you are creating that people care about, people are going to rock with you. You create content that people care about, people are going to come back to your channel over and over again because you've given them something that they need. And if you use that purpose to filter every piece of content that you create, you're going to have so many people watching your videos, you ain't going to be saying, why people don't care about my content? You're going to be like, man, people are rocking with me. People are rocking with me. So make sure you just write down one sentence purpose for your channel and you can stay focused on that message that you're sharing and the content that you're posting on YouTube, because people will care about your content if you stay focused on the message in that content. The next reason why nobody cares about your content is you're not serving, you're seeking. I said it, you're not serving, you're seeking. Because if you're only creating content to get likes or creating content to get views or creating content to get monetized, your content feels needy. Your content feels like you're just doing this for the money. Show me the money. That's all you're doing the content for. We can feel that. We can feel that type of energy because the audience can sense everything that you're doing when you upload these videos. If you're uploading the videos nervous, you're uploading the video saying, I hope somebody watched this video. I hope somebody click the thumbnail and watch my video. Oh, I just want to get monetized. I want 1,000 views. I want 15,000 views. We can feel that. You got to make sure your content is helping people. You got to make sure your content is going to give somebody some results, some actionable results, some transformational results. That's what your content has to do. Why am I going up and down like this? I'm getting excited. That's why I'm going up and down like this. I want you to have great content that people care about. The audience can sense everything that you're doing. You got to stay service focused. You got to be a servant. You're going to have to be seeking for views. The views are going to come. The views are going to be there even if you say, I don't know where they're coming from. They're going to come because once you serve, everybody that you are serving are those people that's assigned to you. And the people that are assigned to you, they're going to come and watch you rock out those contents that you upload on that channel. And here's an actionable step I want you to take. Choose one person you want to help and record your next video. Choose one person you want to help and record the next video. Whatever content you have, how to accomplish this, how to come out of that, what you should do. Choose one person and speak directly to that person like I'm speaking directly to you. I'm speaking to you. I'm telling you to create the content people like, so people will like your content, and you don't got to scratch your head. Why are people not looking at my videos? Why are people not clicking on my thumbnails? I'm getting low views and no views. My dog is not even watching my videos. You don't have to do that if you have a servant heart and you're serving the people that's assigned to you. And once you get that in your mindset that you're serving people, you're going to stop looking at those views. You're going to stop waking up in the morning looking at your phone saying, oh man, I got 5 views last night. Oh man, I got 15 views today. Oh man, I ain't getting no views. Stop having that mindset. A servant knows that you are serving those assigned to you, and everybody that's watching are the people that's assigned to you to help your channel grow. And if you understand that, you understand, I told you to pick one person and talk to that person. For that next video, talk directly to that person as if you're speaking directly to him, like I'm speaking directly to you. Make it about a breakthrough. I'm making this video about a breakthrough for your life. Because you're sitting there thinking, nobody cares about your content. Yeah, nobody cares about your content because you don't care about your own content. Nobody cares about my content. Yeah, nobody cares about your content because you're not connecting your content to a clear message. Nobody cares about my content. Yeah, nobody cares about your content because you're not serving. Those are 3 reasons why nobody cares about your content. But if you change those 3 reasons why they don't care, and you understand that you got to love the content that you create, not only love the content that you create, have a clear message connected to the content that you create, and make sure that you are operating with a servant's heart when you're giving this message out. People will say, man, I love the content that you create. I can't wait for the next video that you post because I love that content that you created. That's why I'm telling you, make sure, take these 3 things that I shared with you so you don't have to say within your heart, nobody cares about the content that I'm creating. If you operate and use these 3 actionable steps that I told you to do, you will have the mindset and you will not say, why nobody cares. You will say, man, thank you, Anthony, my time. People care about my content from the 3 examples that you gave me. I want you to put down hashtag, I'm going to do this. Hashtag, I'm going to do this. Because I want you to take some actionable steps. Don't just watch my videos to watch the videos. I want you to take some actionable steps. Because I'm not here just to speak. I'm here to help you, directly to you. Because I'm creating content that people care about. I'm creating content that you care about. Because you listen to this video all the way to the end to hear me say that, I appreciate you. I appreciate you doing what you're doing and supporting the My Time Community channel. Because people don't care until you care. People don't care until you have a clear message. People don't care until they understand your motive. And your motive is to serve. Pick one of the points that I shared with you, and you can implement it into your content strategy, and it's going to impact the content that you created. So if you like what I'm saying, and you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get every content that I'm uploading to YouTube. And join the community, join the My Time community, because we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. If you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow.